Hi guys, today we're gonna pick our garden picking.
Tomatoes and green beans, maybe some zucchini. I don't
Yep,
know. What are we gonna get?
yeah.
Well, we could get something. The privilege of picking some vegetables from our garden, and the first one is zucchini. Holy moly, look at the size of that zucchini. That'll make a good meal with our meat.
Yeah.
And there's another one. Holy moly, look at that. What you got back in there, Hid?
There's a big one too.
Another big one? Hey, doggy, look at that. That's as big as you are.
Huh?
That's almost as big as you are.
Yeah. My basket is full. There more. There one more.
Wow. And then there's the small one.
One. But still big.
But it's still good, yep.
Big. And there's more coming.
Coming, yep. More zucchini coming. I see the blossoms.
Yeah.
You want to put that inside? So you got room to put the green beans?
Mabel.
You think that table's going to hold them?
Yeah. There are 5.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna put that one for food.
Yeah.
We gave some to the neighbor. The neighbor there.
Yep.
Now let's go to tomato.
You want to do the tomatoes?
Yep.
Okay, let me move. Okay.
Ah,
Yep. I see that tomato.
tomatoes. Take the tomato. Thank you for April cutter. It's yummy.
Yeah.
Ah,
Right down below. Yep. Oh, that one fell down.
there are 2.
Two of them. Yeah.
That is one.
Those are some. They ain't big tomatoes, but they're just right for putting them in with the beef. the pulled pork or whatever. Those tomatoes look good.
Kind of ripe.
I'll let it there for another day.
Holy moly!
You got a big one?
Yeah. Oh, there are more.
Oh, yeah, you got a whole bunch more. Not big ones, but for you and I, they're perfect.
How much more? Oh,
Wow.
the one that you're looking.
Yep. Brings me back when I was on the farm as a kid growing up, Mom having tomatoes. Put that in the windowsill and let it ripen. Ooh, what is those?
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe? Okay, I see one there already starting to,
You did?
right there by the two little blossoms there. See it?
Yeah.
Starting to grow.
That's cantaloupe.
That's cantaloupe. That's small.
Holy moly. There are lots more. But
Is that a radish growing there?
yeah, well, we'll pick that one later.
Okay. Good Lord, look at all the tomatoes.
Thank you, all the blessing. There are more. Good. There are more. That's a good size, though.
Yep. We'll get some bread later today. We can have tomato sandwiches. Just the right size for me.
We'll put this one on. Now we are going to have a
You want to pull the radishes there? Wade?
radishes. So this is full. So if you buy this one in the store, how much is this? $4?
Yeah, probably $10.
$10? We will share it to our neighbor.
All right.
Ready?
Radish.
Radish, guys. We need to clear our garden.
Yeah.
There are three.
Three.
Holy moly, this is the one that I planted.
Yeah. This.
This one. Ah,
A stacked one.
very long.
Yeah.
I put that one there.
Everybody says don't let them get that big. They get bitter or hard or whatever.
Yeah.
These don't seem to be. We slice them about the thickness of a quarter, and then we put them in soy sauce and vinegar, and they're very good.
Here, the big one.
Oh wow! We're gonna have radishes today.
Yeah, I love radishes since I tasted it. There.
Hee doggy.
There you go, big one.
Holy moly. We ain't gonna get all these ate today, but let's just say,
Guys, whoever wants to our vegetable, come over here now.
you better hurry, because my wife, she loves those radishes.
Yeah, I did. Oh,
Wow!
see that?
Take them over there and put them in the big bucket, and I'll wash them and snip off the tops. How's that?
Sounds goody. Nah. Da-da-da-da-da. Radishes.
Yep. I can't wait till they're in the house and we got them washed, and there's the radishes, and there's the
One basket of tomatoes.
one bucket of tomatoes. Now it's green bean time.
It's long.
Long green beans. Lots of them. We love them. We cut them up into little 1.5 2 inch lengths, and mix them in with the beef or pulled pork or whatever meat we happen to have. And we got chicken coming up here one of these days.
Yeah. You can share this one. We'll harvest this one, guys, because if they not, there are lots of like seed that I for the next year. So we'll share to the people that like this.
We went down and saw them there Saturday, and it was a great birthday party. They invited us down. They had some friends over, and we sat and enjoyed the conversation. And they almost look like they come in twosies.
Yeah.
Well, look at that long one that you got there. Wow. I've never seen green beans that long. Now she's going after some gourds, I believe they're called.
Melon.
Yeah. I see that.
Oh, holy. Hey. It's a good size, guys. It's a perfect size. Huh?
Uh-huh.
Zoom. It's a better melon.
I see them. Those are looking nice.
Good to mix, so like corned beef or
Yeah.
egg. Need to harvest this one. You need to pick this one.
Okay.
See that?
Uh-huh.
We did that one.
Let me zoom in on it. There you go. Oh, wow.
Now. This is our first eating of watermelon.
Yep.
If it is colored like that, you need to pick, okay?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's all.
Let that one grow a little longer. Yeah, we're going to wash the radishes out here. Well, we got the
Wash
hose.
our garden.
Yep. Don't need to water the garden because it rained good last night.
See? If this color like this, ready to pick, and this is too young.
I've never had them before.
How about you? I'll cook this one. I'll let you try. This is good for corned beef. Any ground meat.
Uh-huh.
You can stir fry this one. This is good. This is a healthy vegetables. Brings more vitamins in.
Yep. That one there coming up, that big one.
Yeah. There's coming there. We will preserve that one. Save the seed for the next year.
Right.
And there are lots more coming. They keep blossoming.
Right.
Thank you for the blessing for this year. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. My life here in America. So amazing.